Well, Northeast is still getting over Superstorm Sandy, and now we're awaiting another storm to dump some snow on us. With the details, climate research scientist Brad Lyon of the International Research Institute for Climate and Society joins us from the Palisades in New York. Brad, thanks for being there.
You're welcome.
Tell us about this storm system that's closing in on my apartment.
Well, it's currently down over the Georgia area at the moment, but it'll be working its way up along the east coast of the United States overnight and intensifying as it moves our way.
Now, it's intensifying as it moves our way, and I understand we're going to get snow. What will it be like? What sort of snow will this be?
Well, it's going to be a little complicated in that we're going to get some snow starting very late tonight into early Saturday morning, generally light snow, but then enough warm air will come in to mix things up and change it over to rain, around noontime or so. But it'll be later in the afternoon and into the evening when the storm really gets cranked up that it will change things back to heavy, wet snow during the evening, and we could get substantial amounts, particularly north and east of New York City.
Okay, so New York City, maybe my apartment will be spared the worst of it, but we're talking about wet, heavy snow, not really good for snowball fights, but could clog the drains, couldn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it's going to be a heavy snow. The good news is that the storm should move out of here fairly rapidly, and we should see some sun by afternoon, hopefully, on Saturday.
Okay, so during the storm then, probably wise not to be on the roads too much. It's going to be a bit slick. Are we going to see this, the residue of this snow freezing on Sunday and Monday and providing really treacherous roads? What do you think?
Well, it'll be, it'll cool down to around 20 or so, maybe in the upper teens outside the New York metro region on Saturday night. But Sunday it should warm up. We'll be back into the 30s, and we have another storm system heading our way from the Midwest over the weekend into Monday that could actually bring some rain here by Monday. So no big freeze coming after the storm, really.
Oh, well, that's some good news we've had today. Thank you very much, Brad Lyon there of the International Research Institute for Climate and Society, making his debut on the show.